Good morning everyone! It's another happy day because today, babalik tayo sa Cebu. And this time, kasama natin yung buong family at pupunta tayo or dun tayo magstay sa Shangri-La Mactan. It's just a short trip to celebrate Mother's Day. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Ayan na naman sila! Ito na namang mga to! Ready na ba kayong mag-lechon? Yes! How about you, Cyril? I don't know. See ya later! Yung buntag, Cebu! Good morning. Ready na ba kayo sa lechon?
Itay na yan.
Merong lechon dyan kasi hindi ko lang alam kung ano, may upuan yun. Para kasing parang take out lang siya eh. Oo. Eto na, ang mga magle-lechon. Kararating pa lang, lechon na agad ang hanap. Bili tayo kay Ayers. Okay, eto na, ang dinayo natin. Bili tayo. Okay, ito na yung order namin. Dito na kami sa airport kakain. So, ito yung 1/2 na spicy. Ito naman yung regular. Kasi yan yung kanin. Kain na tayo. Ito pala, may hiwa na siya sa gitna. Okay. Siyempre, first bite ko tayo na isang lechon. Oh, masarap. Salty na. Ano? Good. Good. Sabay natin yung laman.
Masarap yung spicy.
Ayan na po, malapit na matapos ang gera. Taob, 1 kilo. Masarap ba ang lechon?
Yeah.
Pinawisan ka, sister, ah.
Water nyo.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Sarap.
I like it.
Yeah. Good. Okay, tapos na tayo kumain. Ngayon papunta na tayo sa Grab. Hindi tayo nag-book ng transfer kasi nga hindi namin alam kung anong oras kami matatapos kumain ng lechon. Priorities. Okay, book na tayo ng Grab. Okay, nakapag-book na tayo. So, doon na lang tayo sa pick-up area. Yan, 2 Grab yung binook namin. See you later! Bye! Iwan! Mano, lagay mo sa likod yung sayo. Hello, good afternoon po. Okay. Mommy first? Okay. Sa gilid ikaw. Okay. Okay, surreal. Hola! Pero ako ng mga IDs nyo. Do you need all the IDs mo? Master of Drinks. Ano na?
Manga siya, pero may spirit.
Ah?
Hindi pa pinicture mo yung price list ng ano.
Sparkling water. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Shangri-La Mactan. So, nakapag-check-in na tayo. Kaso, hindi pa available yung room. So, tingnan muna natin yung ibang facilities nila. Grabe, ang laki pala nito. Pagpasok pa lang, no, yung main wing. Tsaka itong ocean wing. Medyo malayo-layo.
Parang 2 minutes away nga yung
Sa kotse, no? Oo.
parang 3 to 4.
Oh! This is the ocean wing. Cool. Grabe. Tapat na tapat sa araw. Ang ganda ng dagat, oh.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Ganda. Okay, dito sa third floor may link. Pupuntang main lobby. Let's go. Bilan natin ng swimsuit si Cyril. Dahil ang mother of the year. Nakalimutan na naman.
May activity ngayon na 12:30.
Ano yun?
Pang baby.
Ayun, may activity area for kids. Siguro, tomorrow, libutin natin to.
Playground.
Ha?
I'd rather playground.
You'd rather playground. Ayaw niya daw eh. Ha? Oo, yan yun. Yung sasabi ko easy. Yan. Ito yung ano, entertainment zone nila. Ooh, it's so nice. Oh, PS5. Sarap naman dito, ang lamig pa. Ah, may time zone doon. May sound stage din. Time zone. Let's see inside. Come on. Let's see what's inside. Of course. Huh? Which one po? You need to buy a ticket. I think Daddy has one. Ah. Ito, may sound stage. Okay. Billiards. Yung billiards per hour. Hey everyone! Nandito na tayo sa Shangri-La Mactan. So, I know kagagaling lang natin ng Cebu last week and then we came back this week kasi kasama naman natin ngayon yung family. So basically, ang plano kasi namin for Mother's Day is mag-staycation, pero naisip na rin namin, so kung mag-staycation tayo, bakit hindi yung sa may dagat? And then naisip na rin namin, kung hindi dun sa may dagat, dun sa medyo okay din yung food. So since gusto nila mag-lechon at lechon Cebu, naisipan namin na bumalik dito. Total, ibang hotel naman yung itatry natin. So we're going to be here for a couple of nights. It's just a really short trip. So staycation lang talaga at lechon ulit yung pakay natin dito. So yun, inaantay lang natin yung room. We'll see you later! Oh, ayan, maglalaro na si Cyril! Go, be lucky.
Ayun, baby, try mo sa tabi mo. Elephant.
Wow! Grabe, ang laki pala talaga niya. So, ayan. Lobby shop, atrium shop.
Ayan, ito.
Ayan.
Hindi, ito tuturo niya eh. Beach shops. Saan to next?
Oo nga, no. Meron pa doon. Hindi na natin dito. Baka meron din. Sa loob. Ah, ito meron, no.
Ayan.
Hello. Ito for kids, oh.
Ayan.
Sa baba. Barbie nga lang. It's just Barbie.
Hindi lang. But ano design?
Excited na siya kasi nakita niya yung pool.
Yan, good quality slime.
Ano ba yung isa? Ito yung nare-read.
Ano masasabi mo sa purchase na to?
Bali, 2,200.
Wow, si Cyril, wala pang 2 hours sa resort, naka 2,000 plus.
Pero pa yung token niya kanina.
Oh, may
Ako niya kanina, parang nataw pa ako.
Oh my God. Di ba,
Real.
Cyril, what will you say?
Ay, magkano lahat?
Okay, so nandito na tayo sa room natin. This is an ocean view panorama room. Pakita ko sa inyo real quick. Okay, so pagpasok mo on the left side, andito na yung bathroom. So, ayan yung sink. And then there's your toiletries. There's the toilet. They have a bidet. And there's the bathtub. Tapos paglabas mo, there's the cabinet. Yan natin bubuksan. Standard naman yan. Nandyan yung robes and slippers and everything. And then, dito, yeah, you have your coffee and tea. It's good that they have a mini fridge at may space to put your own drinks. And then, there's the kettle and then the ice tub. And this is the bed. So, it's a king-size bed. Tapos, ito rin yung lagayan ng luggages, and there's the TV, and then may working area dito. And ayan na. Oh my God, Cyril left a note. I want to swim. Okay, Cyril, we'll swim. And then ayan, andito yung sofa area, tapos meron silang free fruits and stuff, which hindi naman tayo mahilig sa fruits. And this the best part. Hi, guys! Hello! Hi! So, we have this balcony area. And oh my God, look at the view! Grabe! Ang ganda ng view. Tapos, ito yung pool. Yan. Nice. Ang ganda. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa room. Unfortunately, yung check-in experience namin wasn't that smooth kasi pagdating pa lang namin, they took 30 minutes to find my reservation. Tatlo kasi yung room namin, so they cannot find the other 2 rooms. So, 30 minutes bago nila na-resolve yun. And then, understandably, hindi pa ready yung room pagdating namin. So, sabi nila, tatawagan nila kami on or before 2 p.m. pag ready na yung room. So, lumabas muna kami. I mean, we went to the E-zone. Then, 2 p.m. na, wala pa ring tawag. So, we went to reception. Pagdating namin doon, only 2 out of the 3 rooms are ready. And we waited another 30 minutes para doon sa room na yon. And, nung binigay na nila yung key, pagdating namin dun sa 3rd room, meron pang cleaning team na nando doon. So, hindi pa talaga siya ready. So, unfortunately, the check-in process was a pain. I didn't like it. Medyo ano siya, chaotic siya, and below expectations. We'll see. Baka nga mamaya dahil lang Mother's Day weekend. So, yun lang. Magsaswimming muna kami. We'll see you later! Swimming na si Cyril. Hi, Cyril. Swimming muna kami. Yeah. Sobrang happy yun.
Are you allowed to swim? Kala niyo bata dito pag kailangan magpaalam si nanay.
Okay, let's go to the pool. Walang pahinga. Ano yun? Walang pahinga-pahinga. Sabak agad.
Okay na, may nabili natin eh.
Yeah, ang ganda nga ng damit niya eh. Ayun yung
Oo.
nabili ni Cyril sa shop nila. Surreal, show your outfit.
Slime lang talaga.
Wow.
Ay, dyan ba? Hindi doon?
um,
Yung sa may ano doon.
dito ata yung...
Slide.
Sa may water slide tayo. Baka mainit dun. Meron kasi dito may shade eh.
Daming tao doon eh.
One small one.
Dito ata yung ano nila, dinner buffet nila mamaya. Tapos may cultural show. Ayan, may stage. Okay, let's go to the pool. Oh my God, bilad na bilad sa araw yung pool na yun. Sige. Hi! Alright.
Mas mainit yung ano, mga halik.
Are we gonna go now? Where are we waiting for?
Football field pala yan.
Yeah. Ay, eto. O nga, no? Meron dun, no? Wow! Go, Cyril! Take off your, take off your Crocs. Ang dami nilang pool dito, ah. Okay, go, Cyril! Go, slide! Go, 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 go! Alright, tell me when you're ready. Go! Oh,
That was good. That person do the green one.
okay. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, wow.
I'm gonna go to the pink one again.
Okay. Let's try the pool. It's 1. Ang init dito. Grabe, biglang lumalim dito. Pero ilan lang siya, Mano? 4 feet? Okay. Kaya natin to. In fairness, ang ganda ng pools nila. Oh. Hi, gang! Oh! Basketball!
Pwede na?
Okay, go.
You want to go first? Do not slide head first, okay? Sit down properly lang or you can lie down. Okay, go.
One more. Okay, you like it? Good job, Cyril. Watch that then. Hi! Are you happy, Cyril? Yeah? Which pool is better, this one or Dusit?
I like this one.
This one?
Okay, may one.
Abot mo ba? Abot mo pa?
Yan ang laki ng tubig eh.
Hey everyone! Katatapos lang namin mag-swimming and now we're getting ready for dinner. I just want to say, in fairness kay Shangri-La ha, di ba remember we had a few hiccups upon arrival. So they wanna make it up to us. They invited us for their Mother's Day dinner buffet sa Tides Restaurant. So doon tayo pupunta ngayon. So I appreciate that because of the inconvenience that we've experienced, di ba? They wanna make it up to you, so that's a good sign of a good customer service. But of course, I'm pretty sure na they wouldn't really offer something like that naman if they feel that the situation doesn't call for it. So kudos to Shangri-La. We appreciate that. Okay, papunta na tayo ng dinner. Ganda ng paligid nila, no? Hmm? Nice. So, this is the Tides restaurant. This is our table. Sige nga, tingnan natin what they have. So, here, spring roll. And then, for salad. Crab and pomelo. Seafood. Oh my god. Baby octopus. Sashimi station. Nice. Hi, good evening. Oh, they have a pasta station. May pesto po.
Mas po ma'am. Let's check po ma'am.
Alright, thank you. Roasted ribeye. Looks good. Ayan. Samgyeopsal. I like that. Okay, I think this is their Indian station. Oh my god, that looks good. Chicken biryani. Oh. Looks nice. Fish masala. Prawn tikka and chapati. Ay, walang laman. Display lang pala yun. And then, okay, native lechon at 6:45. Maaga-aga pa eh. Mga 6:20 pa lang. So, ginataang gulay, tanigi, binagoongan. Nice. Seafood fried rice, black pepper beef, vegetable lohan, kompleto. Like, so far ha, ang ganda ng spread nila. Oh my god, looks good. It's pork barbecue. Beef soup nilaga. So there's like noodle station din. And then over here, they have fruits, their cheese station. Ayan, they have bread. And yeah, hanggang dito, different types of bread. Here is bread pudding, special bibingka, puto, kutsinta, make your halo-halo. Dessert looks good. So there's strawberry cheesecake, pistachio opera. Tingnan pa natin yung iba rito. Oh, the brownies looks fancy. Marami-rami rin. They all look good. They also have ice cream station. So, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and ube. So, pakita ko lang. Ito yung kiddie station nila. Ang cute kasi. Pati yun, ang baba. Ayan o. So, they have the donuts. And then, fried rice. They have spaghetti. Vegetables. Chicken. And what's this? Wala pa. Okay, nakakatuwa lang kasi ang cute talagang kaya din kumuha ng kids. O, tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kababa. Okay, so that's the spread for tonight. Tara, kain na tayo. Okay, eto na yung plate natin. So we have mixed sushi or mixed maki, and then got a little bit of everything. Kain na tayo. Start tayo sa classic California maki. Good start. Next.
Chicken rice too.
Wow. So pag mga ganitong buffet, minsan after a few dishes, you will have a pretty good idea kung ano yung quality ng ibang food. Unahin natin tong, next natin tong roasted ribeye. Wait. This is the roasted ribeye. Ay, ang sarap. Oh my God. Ang sarap nun. Pork skewer. So far, masarap lahat ha. Kaya din. Happy ako dito. Kalimutan ko na kung ano to, pero this is the fish. Ay, nako. Ang sarap ng sauce. Fish to ha, pero yung creamy sauce niya, the best. Try natin tong ano, seafood fried rice. Mahilig ako sa fried rice eh. Ano mo? For the rate nito na 2.9 per person, so far sa quality, mukhang sulit to. Yes, black pepper beef. Ang sarap lahat. Ito naman yung sweet and sour fish na lang. That one is just, so-so. I mean, okay naman siya, pero mas masarap yung mga nauna. And this is their chicken. I have water. Ay, kumuha kayo ng soy chicken. Ang sarap, grabe. Korean chicken nila. Ang sarap. Ano to? Grilled tanige?
Grilled tanigi.
Walang toyo. Ay, ito muna bago may sasawan.
Timpla na.
Walang lansa.
Sarap, suba.
Konti. Grabe yung grilled tanige, walang lansa. Tapos pag nilagyan mo pa ng toyo, good. Kamusta? Sarap.
After kain na.
It's real good. Good ba? Hi. Hi. Sarap ng beef. Sarap ng beef, no? Yung ribeye. Okay. Indian cuisine naman tayo. So, try muna natin itong biryani vegetable. Naiwan ko kasi yung mic. Try natin biryani. Oh my God, ang hang. Oh my gulay. Ito yung chicken. Nakalimutan ko pangalan, chicken chop something. That's not for me. There's the fish curry. I'm good. Ayun, biryani. Ang anghang. So far ha, etong Korean chicken yung winner sa akin. Antayin natin si Lechon. Okay, ayan na si Lechon na may sariling show kanina. Tikman natin. Okay, start tayo sa skin. Wow. Sorry. Malayo siya kay Ayers, kay CNP. Matabang siya ng konti.
Ay, try this again.
So you try? Of course. Magustuhan niya to, malutong pa eh. Kumuha rin tayo ng pork samgyup. Ito na yung favorite part natin, yung dessert. So, ayan, this is cheesecake, dark chocolate mousse, brownie, chocolate creme brulee, pistachio opera, and bibingka. Let's start with the cheesecake. Bake talaga siya. And, lasang-lasa mo yung strawberry. Chocolate creme brulee. Interesting ito. First time ko magta-try ng chocolate creme brulee. It's like chocolate pudding on steroids. Okay, our final item for tonight, ice cream. Masarap yung ice cream nila. This one is chocolate siya. It's para siyang konting dark chocolate. Good. Okay, tapos na kami sa dinner. So tanongin muna natin, sulit ba?
Yes, quality lahat. Good.
Masarap.
Yum.
In fairness, bawing-bawi naman talaga yung naging aberya nung pagdating namin. Ang sarap ng pagkain, tapos libre pa, di ba? Thank you, Shangri-La. Oh my God! Grabe naman si Shangri-La sa pagbawi, oh. Ay, grabe si Shangri-La sa pagbawi talaga, oh. Thank you, Shangri-La. And, eto pa. May ganito pa. Wow.